It's easy to perform step-by-step recovery of your deleted Excel files. Hetman Excel Recovery saves not only accidentally deleted files, but files lost due to file system errors, disk failures, and power loss. You can select the partition or device from which the files were deleted. A quick scan takes just a few minutes, but a full analysis can recover even more information. The program shows documents in the folder in which they were located before deletion. The utility displays the content of recovered documents. Save the recovered files in any way that's convenient for you. Both Microsoft spreadsheets and the ODF Open Office format are supported. The recovery utility preserves original formatting, images, and links to other documents. Start working right where you left off. Download and try out the program for free at hetmanrecovery.com.